In this nugget, we will look at the pollutant methane. The Earth's atmosphere is a relatively thin layer of gases which surrounds the Earth. It is dynamic and is constantly changing. The causes of these changes are sometimes through human activity or man-made, and sometimes part of many natural cycles. Pollution can be defined as the introduction of contaminating substances or effects that negatively affect a natural environment, for example the Earth's atmosphere. We can be even more specific and say that air pollution in particular is when chemicals are in the atmosphere that should not be there, or they are not at their correct quantities or levels. We call these chemicals in the air atmospheric pollutants. Methane is an odourless, it has no smell, and colourless gas, which consists of one atom of carbon covalently bonded to 4 atoms of hydrogen. Natural gas, which is a fossil fuel, consists mainly of methane, roughly 70 to 90%, although the domestic supply that comes into your house may have a higher percentage than this. It is classed as one of the main greenhouse gases. Anaerobic bacteria, anaerobic means without oxygen, produce methane as a waste product and are responsible for most of the methane released into the atmosphere. Swamp-filled rice fields and landfill sites are the perfect breeding grounds for this type of bacteria. They also produce methane in the digestive tract of cattle, which they continuously release, and due to increased breeding, cattle are responsible now for a large percentage of the methane released into the atmosphere. To summarise, the Earth's atmosphere is a relatively thin layer of gases surrounding the Earth. Pollution is the introduction of contaminating substances or effects that negatively affect a natural environment. Methane is an odourless, colourless greenhouse gas. Anaerobic bacteria produce methane as a waste product. Methane is mainly released into the atmosphere from rice fields, landfill sites, and by cattle. Keywords: atmosphere, a layer of gases surrounding the Earth. Pollution, the introduction of contaminating substances or effects that negatively affect a natural environment. Anaerobic, no oxygen present. Greenhouse gas, a gas in the atmosphere that absorbs longer wavelength radiation such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water. Methane, odourless, colourless greenhouse gas containing 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms.